getting intoxicated, driving a vehicle and hit someone, you know, in your vehicle, you don't know you're really intoxicated. You just think you're a buzz. This is beating up some homeless people with a metal pole and a metal pipe, and they didn't do anything to you. They're just minding their business.
If I may, Your Honor,
I want to hear his thought process. And here's the thing. I will tell you this, and I tell people this all the time, and I want you to know I'm serious when I tell you this. This is my thought process. But if what I'm saying is incorrect and you feel as though it's incorrect, tell me. I'm not going to hold that against you. I want this conversation because I'm trying to figure out your thought process about this. And the thought process that I'm so intoxicated, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm not too intoxicated to tell this officer that I'm 15, which makes me a juvenile, so they got to call my parents. That's what I want to talk to you about, okay?
Yeah, and again, Judge, I'm going to let him answer the question.
Mhm.
But the one thing I will want to add, of everything you said, I agree with, but one thing.
Sure.
Not to disclose attorney-client privilege, but the one thing that Luis and I did speak about that I was very adamant to him about is I don't want you going into court and coming up with excuses.
Mhm.
I do want you to be honest with the judge and tell her the reasons, tell her what was going on.
Yep.
So while you're
That's what I wanna
characterizing things one way,
Yep.
we're not here to create excuses.
Oh, no, I don't
This
think
is
it's
to
an
let you-
excuse. I understand that he's saying he's intoxicated. That's why he did this. Are you saying that if you were not intoxicated, you would not have done this? All right, so I understand that. So back to my thought process. What's going on?
That night, I remember the part leading up to it, which was going up to him. I thought that he was staring at me hard, and I just asked him. That's all I remember is asking him something, and then after that point, I don't remember. But
So you thought he was staring at you?
yes, and then all my emotions, like I wasn't very good at sharing how I feel, and emotions were bottled up.
So what were you so angry about? What emotions were bottled up?
At the time, I was failing a couple of classes
Okay.
in school, and I was very tired going back and forth from my mom's house to my dad's house.
Okay.
They've been separated a very long time, and that night I was just remembering how it used to be, you know,
Mhm.
when they were together, and it was hard growing up, going from one household to another every week, and I don't remember what happened